A merging pair of galaxies wobbles in this image taken by the James Webb Space Telescope, known to astronomers as 2ZW96. This galaxy pair is located about 500 million light-years from Earth in the constellation Delphinus, close to the celestial equator. Alongside the wild swirl of merging galaxies, a zoo of background galaxies is dotted throughout the image. The two galaxies are in the process of merging and have a chaotic, disturbed shape as a result.